Alright, we back at the outlet, man. Back on the Jordan aisle, bro. Yee! Boy, this is crazy. I mean, ain't nobody really like these anyway, so I can see why they still at the outlet. Well, I need these to go down just a couple more dollars. Just a few. Boy, I need these. Why? I don't know. But it's that midnight navy color for me, bro. They even have my size. Yes, sir. 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half, 12 right there. 139 plus that military discount, bruh. Let's see what else we got. Same old from last week. Ugh. I think somebody had them listed anyway. They said that size 12 and those too. I just seen these online for a whole lot cheaper than what they are here. I think they were like 80 bucks.
That's me though. When we talking about as a whole, we talking about as a whole.
That's probably why these is sitting there like that. That's nasty right there. Anyway, $99. Ain't no size 12 in these. Yes, it is. Boy, that is wild. Let's see what else they got here in this outfit. Standard fodder here. We got LeBron's, witness variant. Yeah, no, ain't nobody picking them joints up. He right here kind of clean though for just a day-to-day hooping, working out type shoe. Ain't bad right there. 99 bucks with the military discount. Can't beat it. Boy, that's a whole bunch of nothing. A little hash wall action. Extra 30% off the wall. I don't really see nothing over here that's gonna catch my eye. I don't need nothing out of here, bro. I'm in here just trying to catch some. It's late at night. There ain't nothing in here though. A little Jordan 13 action, man. Let's see what price they got on these. They don't have a price on these. That's interesting. But anyway, 30% off of them joints anyway. A little Air Max action, $69.97 with an additional 30% off. Plus the military discount at 10%, bro. That ain't bad. I ain't even gonna hold you. If these was in my size, I would definitely get these. Only because of that Carolina blue. Let's say terminated, bro. Sneakerheads, no. Real sneakerheads, no. Not hype beast. You got some alternate burgundy crushers right here, the size 12. They got no price on them, but that's interesting. They can't be no more than 60 bucks. Man, we got some Air Max joints in here, man. Oof. 150 though? No, sir. You can have it. Just terrible. Just absolutely terrible. 129. Boy. Yeah, no. I had your feet instantly don't smell bad. Well, we got some Air Max DNs in here, bro. This colorway is not it. See why they in the outlet, but for 160 though, y'all can do better than that for sure. Y'all gonna have to do better. And these joints in here for 200. The Air Max Plus Mercurial. Got them, and they was on the hash wall, boy. Some 2-3s. Yes, sir. Size 13. Oh yeah, we getting these for sure. See, boy, they were having these peruse outlets. These joints. It was a size 13 though. I can't remember what size I got my other ones in, but I got the red and white ones. But these, I wanted these. I don't know if I got them in a 12 or a 13. Let's try them on and see. I hate on my purple socks. Now Sabrina's on today, man. Oh, yes, sir. These is getting got. And they was on the hash wall for 13 with 30% off. Yes, sir. Let's go. See what they got on the return joint. Check out the prices underneath the shoes. All right. I don't think I want any of these. Those Vomeros interest me just a little bit. Just because they Vomeros, I can wear these to work.
The Nike socks.
For 180, I'll pass. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, I think I'm good over here. Everything in the tiny people size. Yeah, same thing they had last week. Now let's see what we got in the small feet game. I have some more Jordan 2s. Nothing special. What? I am enjoying the prices of sneakers these days. Jesus Christ, boy, this is a great time, boy, to love sneakers. I say that loosely. I'm talking about like not hype sneakers. I'm trying to remember if I bought my wife those or not. I think I did. If I didn't, she gonna let me know. Got a little stuff in here, man. Boy, Jordan 2s and anything in here, bro. Jesus. What else we got? More Jordan 2s. They got these for $140 in there. Oh, come on, bro. Cheaper than that in our size. This is still wild to me, bro. I got satin in here for $94. That is wild. For what it's worth, I really need these in the black and white joints. I need them in that colorway, not this red. I mean, the red ain't bad either, though, but I don't need them in that. I need them in that black and white. I low-key want these Max, though. I might pick them up. I'm about to see how much they cost. Okay, they $84.97 with 30% off. Well, 40% off with the military discount. Oof. And they don't have my size. I got the blue and white joints, man. Them black and white, I can feel like I can wear them. Black and gray anyway. Feel like I can wear those. And they got those right there for $74. As you can see, my sneaker taste is all over the place, but I'm sorry. I'm one for nostalgia, bro. We grew up watching McEnroe with them joints, man, and now they back and they sitting in the outlet. This is a great time, bro. I can't stress that enough. All right, I done did all the damage I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna get on up out of here, man. I will holler at y'all. Peace.